Tired of manually transferring leads from your website forms into Zoho CRM, wasting precious time, and potentially losing valuable opportunities? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to connect Gravity Forms to Zoho CRM, automating your lead capture and revolutionizing your workflow. First, you'll need a Gravity Forms license and a Zoho CRM account. Make sure you have administrator access to both. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugin section. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Gravity Forms Zoho. Locate the official Gravity Forms Zoho CRM add-in, developed by Gravity Forms. Click Install now and then activate the plugin. Now, on the left-hand menu in WordPress, hover over Forms, then click on Settings. You'll see a series of tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Zoho CRM tab. Here, you'll need to authorize the connection with your Zoho CRM account. Click the Authorize Application button. This will redirect you to Zoho. Zoho will ask you to grant Gravity Forms access to your CRM data. Review the permissions carefully and click Accept. You'll then be redirected back to your WordPress site. Now, go to the specific Gravity Forms form you want to connect to Zoho CRM and click Edit. Go to Settings, then Zoho CRM. Click Add New and give your feed a descriptive name under Zoho CRM module. Choose the module you want to send the data to, like leads or contacts. The key here is field mapping. Use the drop-down menus to match each field in your Gravity Form to the corresponding field in your Zoho CRM module. For example, map the name field in your form to the first name and last name fields in Zoho CRM. Repeat this for all relevant fields. You can also set up Conditional Logic to only send data to Zoho CRM under certain conditions. For example, only send leads from a specific country or those who selected a specific product. Finally, configure any additional options, such as the ability to update existing contacts in Zoho CRM if a matching email address is found. Once you're happy with your configuration, click Update Settings. And that's it. Now, whenever someone submits your Gravity Form, their information will automatically be added to Zoho CRM, saving you time and boosting your sales efficiency.